Step 1. Place the assembly up on the motor end with the pump facing up. Put the bracket on the motor. Fasten the 4 pieces mounting bolts, lock washers, and flat washers. Step 2. Put the can assembly on bracket's front edge. Compress tightly. Insert the O-rings on the seal groove cavity. Put the rotor assembly into can assembly. Put the split plate on rotor spindle. Press fit impeller. Loaded impeller nut. Tighten impeller nut in clockwise. Step 3. Insert O-ring in pump casing. Make the casing to the good direction on bracket front edge. And tighten 6 pieces mounting bolts, lock washers, and flat washers.